Hello my friends, welcome to another spooky video. I'm going to feature some more Halloween vintage goodies for you. I hope you've been enjoying all the vintage Halloween videos that I've been putting up. They're pretty cool, and for me it's like a walk down memory lane because I haven't seen them in a long time. They've been in storage. And today I got you another little goodie. I got a Autumn Harvest collection. We got a witch. Musical witch. And this thing has been around a long time. When we had first, this is before we had our kids, so she's pretty old. She's probably from 1996 or 1997, somewhere around there. You can see the sides of the box are very nicely decorated for fall. The same on both sides. And on the back, you can see the battery placement. Requires 2 AA batteries. It's got the on-off switch with the speaker on the bottom. You can see, walk past the light, haunting Halloween message. You can see all the jack-o'-lanterns around her with the ghost. Of course, the spooky cat while she's cooking something in her cauldron. And on the bottom of the box, let's see if there's an actual date. I don't think, let's see, there's the barcode. Number 44001, but there's no date. So let's get it up. We'll put the camera on a tripod and we'll be able to take her out of the box so you can get a better view of what she does. All right, you can see we had gotten her at Ocean State Job Lot for $4.99. I'm sure they cost a lot more than that now, if they still make them. All right, let's get her out of the box. Oh, there go the batteries. Get her out of the box. Alright, let's put the box over there and take her out. This thing is pretty heavy, so that's why I was really nervous when it fell onto the floor. You can see how detailed she is. The bubbling cauldron. And I like the jack-o'-lanterns all the way around. Let's see the bottom. Gift. Inov. I'm not sure what that says. You can see the cat coming around. He's wondering what's going on. He's meowing, wondering what she's cooking up in a cauldron. You got the ghost. Kooky looking ghost. And on the bottom, let's see, you got the on-off switch. You got the speaker, and you got the battery compartment. Now, in order to change the batteries, you see the little tab, you push it down and pull the door out. So let's go ahead, we'll put in a couple of batteries. This is going to be pretty fun. I'm anticipating what she's going to do. I think she's going to laugh. There's like a little music tune that goes with it. I don't think she lights up though. There we go.
Good evening, my pretties.
Well, that brings back a lot of memories.
Good evening, my pretties.
giggle, which certainly brings back a lot of memories. Let's see if we can get her activated again.
Good evening, my pretties.
And that, my friends, is the Scary Witch from way back from 1996 or maybe earlier. If I find the exact date, I'll put it up. Thanks for watching. We'll let her say goodbye to you.